Hey designers, let's create this text animation in After Effects. First of all, I've opened Adobe Illustrator. Here, I have the logo that we will animate later on in After Effects. Take the pen tool and draw a straight line. Give it a stroke. Go to Effects, Distort, Transform, Zigzag. Adjust the size and then the segments. After adjusting its position, go to Object and expand Appearance. Now, take the Direct Selection tool and make the curves rounded. Good. Now, open After Effects. Make a new composition. 1080 by 1080. OK. Now take the Ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Select this circle layer. Go to Adobe Illustrator. Select this shape. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now press Ctrl+V to paste it in After Effects. When you play it, the circle will follow the path of that shape. Now, take the Text tool. Write Ace here. Put it in the position where the ball touches its lowest. Now, remove CE. We'll have every letter in a separate layer. Now, press T for opacity. Add a keyframe, move a frame backward. Make it 0. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+D on the keyboard. Move it to the right. Now, place the playhead on the frame where the ball touches the ground. Take the Type tool, write C here. Now, press T for opacity. Drag these keyframes to here. Good. Again, duplicate it, move it to the right. Move the playhead again to the point where the ball touches the ground. Write E here. Adjust the position of these letters. Press T for opacity, move the keyframes. Good. After this, we want the ball to disappear. So, select it, press Alt and right square bracket to trim the layer. Select all the letter layers. Pre-compose them. OK. Go to Effects and Presets. Search, Glow. Drag and drop it on, Ace, text. Increase the glow intensity. Increase the radius. Change it from original colors to A and B colors. Change color B to white. Multiply. Adjust the glow intensity, radius, and threshold. Move back a few frames. Make the glow intensity 0. Take the text tool. Write Designs here. Adjust the text size and font. Good. Place it below, Ace. Offset the layer. And there you have it. Before you go, don't forget to show some love. Like this video if you found it helpful. Drop a comment below with any questions or suggestions. And make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in to Ace Designs.